Hi, I am CC. In this video, we'll guide you through CrownCAD's version management to help you streamline your design workflow. Click here to open the document history interface. View the document operation history. Right-click on the operation history to create a new node. Click on the node to jump to view the model. Click the button to return to the main branch. Open the version management window again. Right-click on the node, choose to create a document with this node, which can automatically create and open a new document. Right-click on the node, choose to create a new branch. After confirming the name, the new branch model will automatically open. In the version management window, you can see all branches of the current document. Click to jump to the corresponding model of the branch. Nodes with a star icon in front indicate that there are saved versions of this node. Click here to save the prompt information. You can view the current document saved historical versions. You can click to roll back the model to a historical version state. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD's version management. Now, visit www.crownCAD.com to start your design journey.